I'm Stephen Wiley, otherwise known as Sven. This is your book unboxing. Now I've got two boxes today. We've got one for just the book by itself, but we've also got one with the 3-box set. So let's have a look. So I'd like to thank the people at Intertype. So Lyndall and Joe. Ooh. So this is the actual box set. So this has got a Viking Volume 1, 2 and 3 in it. And I'll be offering those up for sale as soon as possible. So we'll get to the next box. I'd like to thank the authors involved. So there's Sean, Ray, Marg, Shannon, Wayne, Di and Ellie, and then there's all the contributors that helped along the way. Gans, Killich, Eggfroth, Steve and Jason from the Wandering Folk, James Moss from the NVG, who else was there? Melissa, Driffer's Armory, did all the fittings. So Mark, Natalie, Thomas and Morgan. And sadly, I'd like to include a in memoriam. So sadly, since the last book got published, our friends Lee, Richard and Patrick have passed away. May they enjoy Valhalla. Okay, let's open up this one. So this should be all the books. Yes. So they're all safely packed in plastic. So this will be available directly through me, but you can also get it on the Books Online site and Amazon. So there you go. Viking Volume 3, including the Mastermere chest. And from here, what's next? The Mary Rose Volume 1, Byzantine Volume 1, and a book of short stories. So please be kind to yourself and other people and have a safe one. Bye.